Do you like snow, everyone? I love snow. I also like the rain. I know some people don't like the rain, but I love looking outside the window and watching it rain or snow and listening to the sounds of the pitter-patter from the rain. But have you ever wondered, how come snow always falls down? And how come rain always falls down? How come it doesn't go up or sideways? That's a good question, right? So today we're going to find out why snow always falls down. Discover. Today's materials: bottle 1, bottle 2, 2 caps, and sand. Let's make an hourglass. Okay, so we have the 2 bigger pieces. This is bottle 1 and bottle 2. They're going to connect together. If you look, this is a bigger hole and this is a smaller hole. They go into each other like this. Ta-da! Okay, now we have the 2 caps. We're going to put one on the bottom. Make sure it's real tight, okay, because we don't want the sand to fall out, okay? And the second one, not yet. Hold on a second. Before we close it, we're going to add our sand, okay? Open it carefully and be very careful not to drop it. That's why I'm doing it in our basket here. Ooh, put it in. Is that enough? That's enough, right? Okay. I didn't put everything in, but later you can open it and add more if you want, okay? Now, take the cap, hold with both hands, and close it. Okay. All right. Can you look inside? Look inside the hourglass. I can see the sand is falling inside. Woo! Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh, there's more and more at the bottom, and now there's very little at the top. Wait till all the sand goes through, okay? Wait. If you put everything in, it'll take a little longer. If you put in maybe half like me, it'll be much faster. Okay, we're almost done. Oh, okay, there we go. If there's a little left and it's not moving, you can just move it or tap it with your finger, okay? Okay, now it's empty at the top and all the sand's at the bottom. Ready? We're gonna flip it. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Wow! Wow! Did you watch your hourglass send the sand in through the bottom and then flip it over again? Well, if you want to see it go longer, like I think ours took about, 20 seconds or so? If you put all the sand inside, maybe it'll take about a minute or so. So you can change the length of the hourglass time by how much sand flows through it. There are many different sizes and many different ways hourglasses work. Some last for an hour even. Okay, so there are 2 areas, top and bottom, and a very small hole that it passes through to control the sand being passed through. Gravity is the force that pulls things towards the center of the earth. Remember, that's why snow and rain go down and not up, because of gravity. Hourglass works the same way. There's 2 parts of the glass with sand inside, and the 2 parts, they're connected by that small little hole, right? When you flip it, gravity makes the sand go down again the other way. So once again, if you change the amount of sand, you can change the amount of time the hourglass runs. Think more. There are many different kinds of clocks, not just a clock on the wall or a watch on our wrist. This is also a clock too, right? There's something called a sundial. A sundial is used by using the sun's rays and by also looking at the shadow to see which direction the shadow goes. We can tell what time it is. A water clock was also used long ago. The water flowed and made sounds to show the time. And not too long ago, maybe 100 years ago, people used to use a pocket watch. Pocket watches had a cover and a chain to carry it safely in your pocket. Here's a tip. Do you know when you wear blue jeans, there's a small little pocket here? that was first made to put a pocket watch inside. Interesting, right?